3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, dust, and hair from
Diddy, 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 get it, turn it down. Go on, Diddy. Is that your toy? There we go.
Dual multi-surface brushes work together to grab dust, dirt, and large debris. The auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height to effectively clean both carpets and hard floors. Patented dirt detect sensors alert Roomba to work harder on concentrated areas of dirt, such as high-traffic zones of your home. Full suite of sensors intelligently navigate the robot under and around objects and under furniture to help thoroughly clean your floors. Edge sweeping brush is specially designed at a 27-degree angle to sweep debris away from edges and corners. Connect and schedule from anywhere. Use Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands to control cleaning. Use the iRobot Home app to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions. Runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. Featuring Roomba Essentials Wi-Fi connected, smart navigation, auto-adjust cleaning head, works on carpets and hard floors. Box content: 1 Roomba 675 robot vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity, 1 home-based charging station, 1 North American line cord, extra filter, owner's guide, documentation package. iRobot does not certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from non-authorized resellers on Amazon, and will not cover claims, provide service or offer replacements for products purchased from these sellers.